Okay, so all of you note down this. Okay, so abstract class is nothing but, so this is going to be defined with the help of a keyword abstract, and this is not supposed to have any definition. Okay, so this abstract class should have a abstract method. Okay, so that abstract method defined with the help of abstract keyword void print written of type. Okay, so this may be a int written, whatever it is a written, you can do it. But even if it is a empty definition also, you're not supposed to open and close it. Okay, you're supposed to give a zero definition semicolon. If you're giving a open definition with zero statement, that is also invalid. Okay, so for your better understanding, I'm just going to execute this. This class name is what? Interface. Let me say this as a abstract class itself. Save as user defined abstract AB. Yes. I've saved this as a user defined abstract class. My class name is LWD. Inside I have these many different classes. Okay, so I want to execute this. I didn't explain a detail about the program. I'm just giving the limitations of abstract class. So inside abstract class, you'll be having abstract method. So if this abstract method is having a zero statement, but it is having curly braces. Okay, listen. So what is our error you are getting? Abstract method cannot have a body. Okay, so even it is a zero statement inside it, this cannot be allowed here because you are supposed to have a zero implementation. Everybody clear? I hope everyone clear. This is first limitation. Okay, suppose here zero limitation, zero definition is there. Okay, but what happened? I failed to define. I forgot to define this. Okay, the definition implementation of this abstract method here and here. I forgot to mention this. Okay, so this is another limitation. So this print of zero definition I gave in the abstract class, and I failed to give a implementation, that is redefinition. This print of is not going to have any body inside abstract class, but it's supposed to have a definition in a child classes. Okay, print off, the definition is there, right? Pen mark, again pencil mark is there, right? But I forget to mention this. Okay, so that case what will happen? This is second limitation. Okay, so this is having showing pen is an is not an abstract class and does not override the abstract method. You got it? So even a pen is a not an abstract class, but it is extended from a writer. Writer is nothing but abstract class, similar to the number. Number is having integer double float, right? Similar way. So instead of this writer, I had a number there. Now you have a writer having pen and pencil instance, two child classes, and this is making use of abstract class as a parent class. So now this print is a abstract method inside a abstract class. This is not having any overriding method. Overriding method is definition is going to be changed. Okay, so overriding and overloading, the difference between the overriding and overloading is, so the overloading is will be having a different method signature. Okay, you'll be having 54 comma 55, so that value will be there. Here you don't have any argument. If suppose here you will be having a character. Okay, so these kind of difference method signature will be different. Okay, but in case of a overriding is nothing but, okay, so you are supposed to have a same method name. argument type, whatever it is you are giving, the method signature. If it is a void, you are supposed to give a void, void, void. Print, you are giving print, print, print. Inside, you will be giving an argument type. If it is an empty argument, you are supposed to give a empty argument, empty argument. Okay. So this is how you have to do the overriding. Overriding is possible only with the help of a inheritance, because with the same class itself, if you are writing again a public void print of, this is also print of and this is also print of, both were defined inside a pen instance. Okay, pen will be having print of, one is printing a pen mark, another one is having a zero statement. This what will happen, this is going to throw an error. Why? Because the same method inside a same class is not going to have a different definition. One is having a definition pen mark, another one is having a zero definition. This is not possible inside a one particular block. Okay, that is why this will be used with the help of a inheritance concept. Okay, parent is not having an instance, you can make use of the instance in a child class and you can override that property. Okay, so this is what the overriding. Okay, so overriding is a runtime or compile time polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism, because whenever we are checking the instance, the child class is not having an instance, you will be making use of the parent instance. Okay, while compiling it won't show any error. Okay, so don't worry, I will give one more example. Okay, so now this is going to throw an error. What is that error? Pen is not an abstract and does not override the abstract method in a printf. Again, pencil is not abstract and does not override the abstract method with printf in a writer. And why this two is not giving kit and lw? We have two more classes, right? Kit and lwd class. Why these two classes is not giving that kind of error? This two class only giving an error, right? Yes or no? Two error only for a pen and pencil. Why these two only giving an error?
Because it is not extending.
Yes, exactly. So this pen and pencil only extending the instance of writer. Okay, so this is only having a rights to create a implementation of print. Okay, and the other two, kit and lw, is not extended from a writer. That is why it is not showing an error, implementation not there. Okay, so now I am giving an implementation. Okay, so you got it, right? So if you have an abstract method inside an abstract class, you are not supposed to give any body, even it is a zero, you are not supposed to give. Okay, so this is one limitation. And if you fail to give any body, okay, so definition inside a child, that is implementation, this is going to throw an error because the implementation is not there. Now I have changed both this. Now I won't get the error. I'm not going to run this. So you guys have got the idea about what is a abstract class and what is the limitation of abstract method and what are the things you have to be take care of it, right? So now I'm going to explain what is actually a program going to tell. Okay, fine. So let me go ahead with the lwd class. Okay, so lwd is going to have a main method. Inside I'm just creating an instance for kit. So kit is a class. So inside kit you will be having a writer scale, that is you will be having geometry box or any boxes you will be having, right? Inside you will be having pen or pencil you will be having, right? So that kind of box I am just holding. Inside only will be having a one of the tool is called writer. Writer will maybe a pen instant or pencil instant. That is what this example is going to take. So kit is a instance of a LWD. LWD you will be making use of a kit instance. Okay, and writer you will be having a pen off, and writer I will be having a pencil off. That is parent class P. Okay, P only having a child class instance. This is only we discuss from the is a relation. Do you remember this? E is having a, that is parent class is having a manager child instance. Same thing here, we are make use of this concept. Okay, so now parent is having a child class instance, parent is having a child class instance. Suppose this parent is having a own parent class instance, what will happen? This is one of the limitation, again a abstract class. Third limitation, suppose the parent is having a own parent instance in abstract class. Okay, so what will happen? So far we didn't get any error, right? Because this is defined already. Okay, so now I am going to execute this. This is going to throw an error. Why? Because abstract class cannot be instantiated. This is one of the major limitation in abstract class. Okay, so abstract class cannot be instantiated with its own instance. Parent class can have own instance, but abstract class cannot have a own instance. Okay, because abstract class cannot be instantiated. With the help of a child class only, we can instantiate. One of the child is a pen, another child is a pencil. Okay, so pen instance is P, pencil instance is PC. That's it. Okay, so now I'm going to do some operation in kit. So inside kit, I'll be having do some operation. Inside, I'll be passing a parameter. Usually we guys will pass int A, int B, right? Similar way, my parameter is what? Object. Okay, so what is it? Object, writer class object. Okay, both were a writer class object, but it is having in two different instance, pen instance and pencil instance. Okay, so now I'm going to pass this as W. Okay, let me take a W variable because previously P was there. Okay, so you may get a confusion. That is why I'm just changing. Okay, so now W writer instance I'm just using, right? So this is actually a formal argument or actual argument. What is formal argument? What is actual argument? This P is a actual argument. Do you remember this example which I gave? If you are coming for the college admission, okay, you guys are coming only a parent, that is a daughter and son of your parent. Okay, that case you don't want to follow any disciplines under a college. Okay, when we are coming for a, okay, so I have a abstract class writer. Under abstract class you have a first pen is a child, again second one is a pencil is a child. Okay, so if abstract class is having an abstract method print of, you are supposed to give a implementation of a print of method in child classes, or else it will be throwing an error. So public void print method implementation given here, same way the public void method print of method is going to give a pencil instance, pen under pen instance, pencil under pencil instance. Okay, so and these two were stored in kit. So kit I'm just writing as a writer W. So previously we saw example, right? So here we had a integer float double. Instead of that we have used a number. Similar way, I have a pen and pencil instance. These two were extended from writer, so I'll be naming